My name's Alex Harkin. I graduated in 2012 from Hawkeye Community College's auto body program. I'm a body and frame man at Deere Collision Center. After graduating, I went and applied and got a job right away. Didn't have any problems, got hired right there, and it was pretty easy. My favorite thing about my job is how rewarding it is to get to see the end result and bringing something in that's just totally wrecked and then seeing a brand new product when you're done. Anybody who is self-motivated would be good for this career. You've got to have ambition to do what we do. You have to be a very perfectionist style of person to do this career because people want their cars back to new or better when they get them back. I would very much recommend Hawkeye Community College because it's a great college, it's very affordable, and they give you the skill set you need. I see myself doing the same thing in 5 to 10 years. I absolutely love what I do, and it's always a new day.